Hi. In this video I will show you how to change text cursor indicator settings in Windows 10. You can change indicator size, color and thickness. These settings work on almost any text input fields like Windows File Explorer, Word, text documents and so on, and also work in your web browser. I tested in Firefox and it works fine. To turn on this settings, go to your Start, left-click on it, and select Settings. Here click on Ease of Access, and then on the left side, choose Text Cursor option. Toggle this switch to On, to turn on Text Cursor Indicator. Here you can select indicator size by dragging this to left and right. You can also choose cursor indicator color. You can choose here from default ones, or you can click on Pick a custom color, and select color you want. Just click on Done when you select the color. And down here, you can select text cursor thickness by sliding this left or right. As you see, it works on text document, Windows Explorer, and on my web browser. And that's it for this video. Thank you all for watching. Hit that like button if this video helped you in any way. And please subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next easy way tutorial. Bye.